Welcome to Gear Grinders, where we bring you the latest and greatest in the world of automobiles. Today, we're diving into the jaw-dropping 2025 Chevrolet Corvette Z06, a performance machine that redefines American supercar standards. Blending cutting-edge aerodynamics with raw V8 power, the new Z06 isn't just fast, it's a statement. With enhancements to design, handling, and tech, the 2025 model continues the Corvette legacy with sharpened precision and attitude. Let's explore what makes this track-ready beast one of the most exciting cars of the year. Design and aesthetics. The 2025 Corvette Z06 is every bit the attention grabber you expect it to be. Its aggressive styling features wider fenders, an enlarged front splitter, and massive rear air intakes that hint at the power beneath the surface. Carbon fiber elements throughout the body help reduce weight while boosting visual drama. New wheel designs and fresh paint options, including high-impact metallics and race-inspired liveries, allow for a more personalized touch. With its mid-engine layout, low-slung profile, and quad exhaust outlets, the Z06 is sculpted for speed and makes its presence known long before it hits the throttle. Performance and powertrain. The heart of the Z06 is its naturally aspirated 5.5L flat-plane crank V8 engine, producing an incredible 670 horsepower and revving up to 8,600 RPM. It's the most powerful naturally aspirated V8 in production, and it sounds like a race car every time you fire it up. Power is delivered to the rear wheels through an 8-speed dual-clutch transmission that offers lightning-fast shifts. The Z06 rockets from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 2.6 seconds and comes with a performance suspension, magnetic ride control, and massive carbon ceramic brakes to keep that power in check. It's built not just to go fast, but to dominate the track with surgical precision. Safety and technology. Chevrolet has equipped the Z06 with advanced driver assistance and infotainment features to match its performance. Inside, you'll find a 12-inch digital instrument cluster, a high-resolution infotainment touchscreen with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and a premium Bose audio system. Performance data recording tools let you review your laps, while features like forward collision alert, blind spot monitoring, and rear cross-traffic alert provide an added layer of safety. Optional Z07 packages add aerodynamic upgrades, track tires, and even more advanced cooling, turning the Z06 into a full-on race machine for the street. Conclusion. The 2025 Chevrolet Corvette Z06 is a thrilling blend of engineering excellence, exotic car looks, and homegrown performance. It offers supercar capability at a fraction of the cost, all while staying true to the Corvette heritage. Whether you're carving corners on a racetrack or stealing glances at a weekend car meet, the Z06 is built to impress from every angle. For more reviews and updates on the latest automobiles, be sure to subscribe our channel.